Dr. Venkat, lockdown has started in America from March 1st. In some states, it started from March 14th. So, do you think that lockdown is working?
Yeah, that's a good question, Shastri. Before I could talk about it and analyze that, first let me be clear to the viewers that I'm not a medical doctor. I'm a doctorate doctor.
Yes.
So I'm a doctorate in physics. So my analysis for this past 2 months, what I have done, I can give you. And let's see. Your question is this lockdown working or not working?
Yes.
So do you think it's working for you? What is your without analysis? What do you think?
For me, it is working.
Okay. The very reason for lockdown is that people should not touch each other or
Yeah.
they should not come in contact with each other. So therefore, the virus should not spread.
Spread. Exactly.
That's the reason, correct?
Yes.
So let us take the first case was detected on January 12th in USA.
Yeah.
So in India, the theory says that each person can easily spread to 406 people
Oh, okay.
because of the population density.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when you convert the same density to America, it becomes approximately 25 people.
Okay.
So if you take 25 people, one person can infect 25 people. Let's say a theory like that. I took a minimum. I didn't actually, it's more than that. Okay. Let's take
Yeah.
25. So this 25 people, in how many days he can come into contact? Is that if a person is going to office where he can meet people, he'll touch surfaces where other people also touch the surface or something like that. And it's airborne a little bit when he sneezes or when he coughs, that goes to up to 30 feet radius and it's there for hours together, that particular
Okay.
particles. So
Okay.
therefore, a person can infect 25 persons. Let us take in a period of 1 week, he's going to infect 25 persons.
Okay.
Next week, that 25 will infect another 25 each person.
Yes.
So it will become 625.
Yeah.
So the next week, the third week, it will become 15,000 people.
Okay.
Like that, if you count in 6 weeks, it's going to become 244 million people
Oh my God.
in 6 weeks. So from January 12th to March 14th, there are 8 weeks. So that
Yeah.
means after the 6 weeks, the seventh week, entire America should have got this virus.
Oh.
If that theory is correct, if that theory is correct,
Oh. Okay.
but that theory is totally it's wrong. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that if if you count on March 14, the number of cases are less because the number of equipment, testing centers are less. Correct?
Yeah.
They were
Yes.
less, so that's the reason. But as the time passes, we got many equipment and many testing centers, so we are having a number of cases more.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. But now the lockdown started in some cases on March 1st and some cases on March 14th, if you remember well.
Yes. Yes.
So by March 14th, we should have got approximately three-fourths of Americans got this virus.
Oh.
If the theory is correct,
Yeah.
then what this lockdown is going to do now? Already 244 million people are infected.
Mm.
What is this lockdown going to do now? So the remaining 1 million people you're saving, or remaining 100 million people you're going to save? Is that correct? No, that's wrong, totally wrong. So now, one more thing. Let me give you this fantastic thing you never realized. Nobody's telling this point. In 80% of the cases, doctor intervention is not necessary for this case.
Really?
Really. In this article, you can see that these are the second wave COVID 19 symptoms you have to watch out for. C.W. Headley, April 23rd, 2020. So, what he writes, you see, although more than 80% of COVID 19 cases do not require medical intervention, the recovery process seems to vary according to self reports that have started to appear over the last 2 months. So, 80% of the cases, yes, they don't require, but if there is intervention, no problem.
Okay.
Otherwise, see, the cases are 1 million, about 800,000 now in US. Why the deaths are so less? 52,000?
Mm.
What is 52,000 out of 800,000? Tell me. What is the percentage? It's not even 10%. It is less than that. Correct?
4%. 4%.
Something like 4 or 5%. Correct? So
Yeah.
95% cases are saved.
Mm.
There is no vaccine. Is there a vaccine for this now?
Not yet.
So there is no vaccine, there is no medicine. How the cases are getting rid of this?
Mm.
So the point is very clear that lockdown will not solve the problem. Proper
Mm.
medical attention and social distancing for some days will do.
Mm.
One more thing. According to Vedas Worlding, that is our team, we have done the work. Air pollution causes this disease spreading faster.
Faster. Yes.
So if you can reduce the air pollution, then automatically the cases will come down. Deaths also
Mm.
come down. We
Yeah.
have shown it also already. So
Yes.
how to do this pollution, reducing pollution? Yajna. A proper method of doing this yajna, automatically the cases will come down.
Okay.
So what is this yajna? What is this yajna process? If many people, they do not know what it is. So they have to
Yeah.
contact us. If they contact us, we'll tell.
So yajna, can we call it as a fumigation process?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's a vaporization process, you can call it.
Yes.
Yes. We'll discuss about it next time. But for now, lockdown is a failure case.
Okay.
It brings the entire economy down. People are, this is wrong. Okay?
It has brought the economy down already.
Already. So that's the thing.